Hello, Madal. Who's going to win today? Pirates or Chiefs? Who? Pirate.
Pirate.
Oh, the Pirates going to win.
Yeah.
Say, Pirate.
Pirate.
Hey guys, I have another Pirates fan, and what do you say?
Vincent. The prediction is gonna be 2-1 Orlando Pirates. Yeah, I know.
Orlando
Pirates gonna win 2-1.
Yeah, Pirates. Man, I don't Pirates. Everybody's saying Pirate.
Yeah.
So we'll see.
Yeah, Pirates. Pirates gonna win 2-1.
Yeah,
Hey, how's
Chiefs.
it?
I'm fine.
Your cast Chiefs or Pirate?
Yeah, I'm Kansas Chiefs. Okay.
You're gonna win for how many goals?
Yeah, 3-0.
Still not for Pirates.
Yeah, Chiefs will defeat Pirates.
For Chiefs. Okay, we'll see. Yes. Hello, Madal. Who's gonna win today? Pirates or Chiefs? Who? Pirate.
Pirate.
Oh, the Pirates going to win.
Yeah.
Say, Pirate.
Pirate.
Hey guys, what do you say? Pirates or Chiefs?
Chiefs.
Chiefs. What of the scoreline? Scoreline.
2-0.
2-0 for Pirates.
Yeah, for Pirates. For Chiefs, we won the game by 2-0.
Oh, okay.
It is a gloomy day over the city of gold, but some of Africa's brightest players are aiming to outshine their opponents at this incredible venue. It is Africa's largest stadium. Hello and welcome to what is the most revered fixture in the South African footballing calendar. It's a fixture of tradition, of pedigree, and an opportunity to write history for players and indeed bragging rights for the respective
Subscribe, share, and like.
Thank you. Subscribe, share, and like.